Ever wished you could merge the insights from several Tableau workbooks into one stunning, comprehensive dashboard? Let's dive into how to do exactly that. First, the simplest method: copying and pasting sheets. Open both your source and destination workbooks. In the source workbook, right-click on the sheet you want to move. Select Copy, then navigate to your destination workbook and right-click anywhere in the Sheet tab area at the bottom. Choose Paste. Tableau will transfer the entire sheet, including visualizations and underlying data connections, into your new workbook. Keep in mind that any edits made to this sheet in the new workbook will not affect the original workbook. Next, let's look at connecting to data sources from different workbooks. Open your destination workbook, go to the Data menu and select New Data Source in the Connection window. Choose the type of data source used in your other workbook, whether it's Excel, SQL Server, or any other supported option. Browse and select the data source file, or enter the connection details. Once connected, you can drag and drop fields from this new data source into your visualizations. Creating a combined view. Data blending and data joining can be used when combining different data sources. If your data sources don't have a direct link, data blending is your best friend. After connecting to both data sources, identify a common field, like region or date. Click the chain link icon next to this field, then at least one of the data sources tells Tableau how to relate the data. Now you can create visualizations that pull data from both sources, giving you a complete picture by mastering these techniques: copying sheets, connecting to external data sources, and utilizing data blending. You will be building amazing Tableau dashboards in no time. Go forth and make those dashboards.